Hello and welcome to the British Tech Guru channel. I am your host, Zaphod Beeblebrox. I had a little bit of a hunt today and I found my missing BMP280 pressure sensor. I thought I'd find it. I just didn't know when I'd find it. And of course I would find it after I'd ordered another one. No matter, the other one will be on its way. And while I was hunting for it, I found this. It's another gyroscope accelerometer thingy, but it also has a magnetometer in it, which is even more interesting. I'm not planning to use it immediately, but when the other BMP280 gets here, that'll probably go with it, and I'll get in there. That'll probably be drone number 2, or spares for drone number 1. Now I have a GPS unit for drone number 1. I already do have a GPS for a Raspberry Pi, but it wouldn't fit the Pi Pico. So I had to get a second GPS to fit the Pi Pico. The other GPS fits the Pi 3B Plus that I use as a desktop. Anyway, here we go. This little thing there, I told you it was very small, is the BMP280. And what we're going to do now is show you the output. Okay, let's start this. So we're going to go to programming, we're going to go to Thorny. Now we're going to open the MicroPython device, which is the Raspberry Pi Pico. And this is this program. Let's pull this down. I copied this from a demonstration of how to use the Pi Pico, the BMP280 and an LCD. I had to take the LCD stuff out, and you can see how I've done it, but you can see how it's all working. And there you can see I've put the output as in prints. And somebody, not me, can't spell Celsius, so we're going to change that right now. In fact, we're going to get rid of Celsius and put it as centigrade, because Celsius is just stupid. There we go, centigrade. That makes much more sense now. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Save, okay. And I'm going to run it, and we're going to see what kind of output we get. Well, we can see it's 997 hectopascals. It's is it 30.23 centigrade? Could be 38. I'm not wearing my glasses. The altitude, according to this, is around about 130 meters. So I'm just going to lift the pressure sensor up about a meter, and no real change. I didn't really expect there would be, because below about 330 meters or 1,000 feet, these pressure sensors are not very good for altitude. Having said that, we have just proved that this works. This is another piece of the story working beautifully. So I'm going to return you now to the video camera. So stop that, quit out of there, save. And as you can see, that was all fairly simple and straightforward. It worked very well, and I'm actually quite happy with the result. And the fact that it took me probably about 20 minutes to to do, modify the actual code, if that, find and modify the actual code. That was pretty good going. I'm happy. That's a good day's work as far as I'm concerned. And I'll see you in the next video, or you'll see me in the next video, or maybe you'll see me in the street, who knows. But for now, that's me, Zephyr Beeblebrox, signing off for the night.